The daiquiri, also sometimes spelled Daiquiri. At one time, the generally accepted distinction between a Bacardi and a daiquiri was that one was made with grenadine and the other with sugar. The firm of Bacardi y Cia, proprietors of the Bacardi trademark, however, objected to the use of the name Bacardi as applied to any drink not made with Bacardi rum, and maintained in the courts of the United States their exclusive right to the use of the name. Accordingly, the cocktail made with the sugar known as a daiquiri, and the one made with grenadine as a daiquiri grenadine, or pink daiquiri. If vermouth instead of citrus juice is used with the grenadine, the name is the El Presidente. You'll notice we've done that one. The daiquiri. There's actually quite a lot in this book about this. There are 3 varieties. We're going to do the straight up daiquiri. Start off with 2 parts lime juice. We're doing directly into a blender because I'm going to blend this and make it, you know, like a daiquiri. Do 1 part simple syrup. Then we'll have 8 parts of this Bacardi. I'm a little nervous about this drink. It's quite strong seeming. Then we're going to add a bunch of ice and blend this sucker up. So this made a pretty solid 2 full drinks.
Oh, it's really refreshing. It doesn't taste like anything?
Yeah, it doesn't have a real strong flavor. The things I would change right off the bat is a little bit more simple syrup, probably double that and double the lime. Especially if you're going to do 8 shots of, or 8 parts of Bacardi. I would definitely double up the lime. Fresh lime would probably be better, but I was feeling lazy. And we have a beautiful baby cat.
Bean.
Yeah.